Hi, thank you, ETH, for giving us this platform to speak about the Greenfield data center and how does it help in terms of operational efficiency and how it is relevant from an end customer perspective. So before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Surajit Chatterjee. I am the Managing Director for Data Center Group in India for CapitaLand. CapitaLand is a large real estate fund. It's a large conglomerate based out of Singapore and has varied interest in various asset class developments across the globe. With presence of about 23 countries, it has diversified its portfolio to a larger extent. In India, CapitaLand started the journey and it's one of the pioneers in setting up the office and the IT business parks. It gradually moved into the warehousing and logistics. And then finally, about 3 years back in India, we formed our data center unit to prima facie focus to operate and run the data center business unit, offering our various range of services to our end clients. That's pretty much about CapitaLand. So I would then like to now start on the topic for which we are speaking today, which is how Greenfield Data Center helps clients achieve operational excellence. As the world, and we are all witnessing, as the world becomes more automated and digital, the data center industry is undergoing a rapid growth to support the transformation and these various attributes attached to it. As a result, energy, overall environmental and sustainability has become a key focus for all global data center players, and they are ensuring that adequate measures are taken to run these. Data is the new oil, and with so much of government initiatives in terms of data localization, the need to keep the data within the country, the data is everywhere and it is continuously expanding, and we obviously need to manage it. Large enterprises are mining this on a day-to-day basis with so much of application layer getting added. Data centers will play a very pivotal role in ensuring that this is well managed across. Greenfield data centers are typically the ones which being developed by CapitaLand, which brings together the right resources within our organization around the world with our technical capabilities, since we manage globally data centers in Singapore, Europe, and in China. And it helps clients from an on-ground services as needed to achieve their goals and maintain also the existing data center facilities. The major advantage of a greenfield data center is that it gives an opportunity to ensure that all the state-of-art technology is being implemented from day one. The provides a very clean state for infrastructure development. There is no compulsion, and it is a very critical aspect. There is no compulsion to work within the constraints of existing systems or infrastructure. I'll also touch upon few aspects which are very critical for a greenfield. Design and engineering comes obviously the first. It is the core for any greenfield data center. A very sustainable and flexible design brings a lot of effectiveness in terms of ensuring that the adequate parameters are being met in terms of the design. And CapitaLand's focus is fundamental towards this in ensuring and developing these facilities for our clients. Our specialized capabilities are scalable, which are very sustainable models, which enables us to provide cost-effective solutions without disadvantageous trade-offs. Our approach also is very integrated as we speak, a very holistic solution that brings a lot of flexibility in design, keeping the end client's need in mind, whether it is a large hyperscale client or an enterprise client, depending upon which segment and what kind of day-to-day requirements they have. The second point, which is very critical, which comes into a greenfield design layout and overall scheme of things, is project management and construction management. I think for that matter, any asset development needs, this is a very core area. But the longer term cost and time efficiency can only be achieved by a proactive and structured approach to prepare for the changing environment. We, that is CapitaLand in-house design experts team, pinpoint potential issues early in order to mitigate the risk and impacts. and enable our clients to get maximum performance from the resources. I think overall, the cost sensitive items are being seen and built in terms of a procurement strategy so that a client takes a longer benefit and advantage of the various aspects. A very third important and very critical is the site selection and the due diligence around that. I think today across pan India, there are defined corridors which are being seen where various service providers are looking to establish the greenfield. And why it is critical? Because one, the surrounding and the environment is very critical in terms of the location, understanding the needs of the client typically, knowledge of local experts, in terms of regulatory, in terms of security, in terms of environmental and utility requirements. CapitaLand has built in a very focused investment and commercial team around this, whose KRA is to do a very detailed due diligence in terms of site selection, whether from a location perspective, whether from a power availability perspective, which is scalable, and also from a security aspect, which helps and which gives a lot of peace of mind to clients in terms of when it comes to the right location being there, since they're critical and time-bound application layers are running within the infrastructure. I think followed by this is the operational efficiency. I think any data center for that matter, and especially the greenfield hyperscales which are being built now, offer horizontal scalability. They set new standards in performance throughout and redundancy to enable fault tolerance and high availability. Such data centers have to be operationally being very efficient, ensuring, they are performing at peak, can't afford, downtime at any levels, zero loss, and a healthy PUE. Skilled people, well-defined process, and effective leverage of technology will only deliver a very efficient operations and an improved productivity. And CapitaLand has been very focused to work around these areas from day one while they build and design a greenfield data center. Apart from these, I think few other areas which also needs to have a razor sharp focus is a safety first approach, I think, which is absolutely non-negotiable and a very critical aspect for a greenfield data center. And optimize processes in terms of your NOC and SOC capability, the workforce which runs these processes, since it's a 24/7 mission critical infrastructure you are running. Subject matter expertise, dedicated project management people, and a healthy bench of strength, ensuring that a quick ramp up to meet the increased demand without impacting the business as usual. And automated maintenance management in terms of your various softwares and ERPs which runs, so that the CMMS, like the computerized maintenance management system, is in place to ensure that all scheduled tasks have been given and being completed on the given time. Proactive issues resolution and early risk mitigation. I think another key aspects, issue resolution is so when a ticket is open, typically it's being monitored with various stats being defined and the closure within the given time. Quality assurance and compliance. I think data centers quality is absolutely critical, and it is each and every aspect of the operation. Strict compliance standards, certified processes, third-party audits and certification being done to ensure that all quality parameters are being met. Continuous innovation, which is a very, very constant area which the greenfield data centers have to continuously strive for. It is it's our onus to keep the world connected 24/7 with minimal impact on the environment. That's the challenge, requires continuous innovation. At CapitaLand, we place sustainability to the core of everything what we do. We are committed to growing a responsible manner, delivering long-term economic value, and contributing to the environment and social well-being of our communities. The few other areas, which generally is used to set sustainability goals in a data center. Everybody's talking of green power. Everybody's talking of because data centers are power guzzlers and the kind of power requirements they need. From a long-term perspective, green will make very, very meaningful impact on the build and on the design as well as on the sustainability. I think energy is very, very critical aspect, and the ongoing rapid growth and projected future growth of data centers make energy consumption and efficiency an important focus in a data center sustainability journey. It also generates a lot of waste. So data centers generally significantly waste during constructions and operations. Minimizing the waste is a very key aspect one has to look for, from the supply chain to the delivering waste out of the landfills through reuse and recycling, thereby ensuring it's a key strategy for being more environmentally sustainable. Land and biodiversity. Data centers have a direct impact on the land they are built upon and has an indirect land impact from their supply chain. However, for data centers with dedicated solar and wind farms, the impact on the land and biodiversity can be significant for individual organizations as we move. I think these are the few areas, when any greenfield data centers are being thought of, being planned, is the area where one has to work on. CapitaLand is very, very focused and very, very committed on these areas to ensure that our clients are having absolute critical mission operations which are running 24/7 are running at a smooth level from a day-to-day perspective. Just to conclude this discussion, I would like to say that data center is the core to every sector of economy, such as financial, commercial, media, communications, education, and governmental institutions. Day to day, there is an increasing demand for data processing and storage. Thus, cloud computing has evolved, supported by continuous growth of internet-based services worldwide. This has led to a significant energy consumption accompanied with serious environmental impacts, such as earth resources, spending, greenhouse gas emissions, so on and so forth. Various metrics have been proposed to evaluate the efficiency of data centers, aiming to develop energy conscious behavior and resource savings. Hence, every player have to constantly keep in mind the focus of innovation, and it's very, very important, so that as and when technology and various metrics are coming, it's being implemented in your design and layouts. The creation of sustainable data centers using renewable energy, optimizing the energy efficiency, and minimizing resource waste makes both environmental and business sense. And that's where CapitaLand is committed to do the same. By only introducing a sustainability scoring model, we can evaluate a spherical way the environmental impact and operational efficiency of data centers. Hence, I conclude and thank you so much for giving this opportunity, and it was a pleasure speaking. Thank you.